Hey loves, and welcome back to another video from Inspirations by Lati, where all things are inspirational on this channel, where we inspire one another. So this is just a quick video, you guys, of a little home cleaning inspiration on today. I'm cleaning the lower part of my home, my office space, and then also on the lower part of my home, I do have a kitchen as well. So yes, we have two kitchens in our home. So technically, I don't like saying basement because I feel like basement has a bad connotation. Like when people think of basement, they think of grungy and old and cold and wet and gross and dark. So I don't like saying the word basement, but our lower living quarters, lower living area. But anyways, so this is the kitchen area, you guys. This kitchen rarely gets used. If I am hosting and we're doing a barbecue or we got people over, then if I'm cooking for that particular event that I'm hosting at my home, then I will use the kitchen. But that does not happen very often, especially with COVID these days. So this kitchen area rarely gets used. I might use the microwave really quick to heat something up. But like as far as like actually cooking a full course meal, that is very rare. I've probably done that literally, I could probably count on my hands how many times I've like made a meal in this kitchen. So anywho, so this is just me cleaning, you all, and just getting things together. Yeah, but I really hope you guys enjoy this video though. So as you all can see, I'm wiping things down. I like to use bleach. Sometimes it has a strong smell. Some people does not like the smell of bleach because it can be breathtaking if you use too much. But honestly, when I clean, I like to use a combination of things. I like to use bleach as my disinfectant, and it kills a lot of germs and things of that nature. And then I also like to use pine saw. I really like the smell of pine saw. My twins don't like the smell of pine saw so much. I don't know why, and then I also use Fabuloso too. I don't know if I have any Fabuloso in this video, but I use that a lot. And sometimes I'll mix all three of those particular items. But those are my main go-to like disinfecting items that I use around my home. I just like the cleanly smell that it leaves behind, especially the pine saw. But But yeah, so that is what I'm doing. I'm just wiping down some items in the kitchen, some little decor that I have on the counter here. Just, you guys know how things get dusty. And to be quite honest, with my busy schedule, you know, working 2 jobs, and then also on my entrepreneurial endeavors, like I'm still in the process of getting my business off the ground. Like I get really busy, so I don't have time to deep clean. I mean, my house is usually pretty clean, but as far as like dusting and things of that nature, like sometimes I don't have time for that, and things can build up and get pretty bad. And I keep saying I'm going to hire somebody to come in to do that once a month or so, you know, every other month or something like that, but I haven't done so. I guess you can say I'm tight with my coin, and I just feel like, why pay somebody when I can just do it myself? So I don't know. I'm still playing around with that idea if I really want to have somebody coming in like once a month to do the more deep cleaning around my home. So I don't know. We'll see. It's a thought that I've been contemplating, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so this is me. I'm going through some papers, you guys, because again, this is my office space. This is where I grade my papers, I prepare for my upcoming classes, I work on my own business endeavors in my office, and then my husband works in here sometimes when he's doing his, because he is a business owner, he's an entrepreneur. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. He's an entrepreneur as well, and but he has had his business for, oh my gosh, over 10 years. It might have been 10 to 14. Oh, I don't know, but it's been a long time. It's been over 10 years that he's had his business, but he does his, you know, if I'm not using the space, then he'll write out his invoices and do certain things business related in the office as well. But anyways, the point is that, you know, by me grading papers and teaching different subjects and things of that nature, I always have a lot of binders and things like that I keep the different subjects that I'm teaching and that teaching material in there. So I always have so many papers, and over time, sometimes I need to get rid of the papers and just go through things and do a thorough, cleaning and getting rid of things that I don't need. So anyways, but there's always things under my desk because this is where I keep all my teaching material. And if you guys don't know, I am a medical assistant instructor. So I teach the medical assistant program. And if you do not know what a medical assistant is, we assist doctors, providers, and things of that nature with surgical procedures. We do injections, we do blood draws, we do, different office procedures for patients, like diagnostic procedures, EKGs, and just a whole slew of things. I got a whole bunch of medical assisting videos. So if you are interested in knowing what a medical assistant is, please go back and watch some of those previous videos of mine. But so this is why I always have a bunch of binders and papers and things. I try to keep it as neat as possible, but y'all know how it is. Sometimes you just get busy and things get overwhelming and out of hand a little bit. But we getting it together today. We getting it together, as you can see. But anywho, so yes, this is just me going through papers and tidying up my desk area. Now I do want to say, I really, really need a new desk chair. I kind of want a new desk as well, like a bigger desk. But as you guys can see, I have plants everywhere down here. My husband keeps bringing in more and more plants. I love plants, but I do not have a green thumb. I kill plants. I cannot take care of them for some reason. So he takes care of all the plants throughout our house. And this area actually now, I'm dancing, y'all. I had my music going. I was dancing. But anyways, this area now I have way more plants. I'm going to incorporate a video in here of the updated area. It still looks the same, but it it has way more plants. He is now obsessed with plants. But he takes care of them very well. And I love the greenery. I love the nature. It just looks really, really, really good. It makes your space look, you know, I don't know. I just like it. But anywho, yes, I want a new desk chair. And also, like I said, maybe a new desk at some point, but you know how you have to prioritize things. I got so much going on in my life right now that it's not like a priority. It's going to happen, but this will suffice for now. So here, you guys, I'm just cleaning up after my dogs. I try to keep them off of my furniture, especially my husband. He don't like them to be on the furniture. They have dog beds and things of that nature, so there's really no point of them being on the furniture. But they do roam freely around the house. So every now and again, especially my smaller dog, you will catch her jumping on the furniture, just laying there really. But my bigger dog, he sheds way more, even though he doesn't have a lot of hair. He has really dense, short. Look at my chickens, y'all. Y'all see the chickens roll by in the background? But anyways, we have chickens, you guys. We have chickens. We have a lot of property. So we have chickens. But anyways, yes, he gets hair on the couch because sometimes he will jump up there and, you know, we have to discipline him and make him get down. But he doesn't do it very often, so... but yes, this is the finished product, you guys, of my office space. And again, make sure you stay tuned because I'm going to show you guys because I have way more plants than this now. But yes, this is the clean space as of now. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do have more things that I need to do to this space. But like I said, you guys, you know, things you have to do it, you know, a little bit at a time, you know. And so that's what I plan on doing. Like I said, it's not a priority and I'm not in a big rush. But as I do things and add things to this space, I will be coming to show you guys that, of course. Like I said, I've already added more plants and things of that, you know, things of that nature. So... but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you catch me on the next one. Make sure you go and watch some of my previous videos as well. And I will be doing actually another updated because I've changed some things in the top half of my home. On the upstairs, the upper level, we have kind of rearranged and changed a few things and added a few pieces. So I do want to show you guys that. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Anticipate that video because it will be coming soon. But yeah, I'm just rambling now and I need to stop. So anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Share my videos so people know that your girl is over here creating content. And I just hope everybody has a lovely day. Okay, so you guys, another thing I wanted to say was, okay, this is the space or the area that I create my videos in. So when I do my haul videos of like clothing hauls, if I'm doing a makeup video, a hair video, or, you know, sitting down and actually recording, you know, an informational video about something, this is the space that I usually do it in because there's so many windows, there's so much natural light that comes in. So it really, really makes the videos pop and the lighting is just everything. Okay. So this is that space that you will see me in. Recording those like particular videos. Every once in a while I might record upstairs, but for the most part, hey bossy boo. But anyways, for the most part, this is where I record up against that fireplace right there. Yes, right there. So yes, just love the space, love the lighting. This is my chill spot. This is where I come to like gather my thoughts, be chill, get away from everybody else in the house. This is mainly my space and everybody in the house knows that. Not that they don't utilize it if they need to or want to, but for the most part, this is my space. But yes, thanks for stopping by. Rate, comment, and subscribe.